when you're rehearsing your script,
Yes.
that you should read it aloud, not just to yourself. Right, you can just read it through once to yourself, but after that, read it aloud. Our audience falls into three categories. First of all, of course, the Swazi people themselves. Then we've got the quite large European population who live here, and the thousands of South African tourists who come to Swaziland every week. We were offered the opportunity of participating with the Swaziland government in setting up a television broadcasting station, and we thought this was a very exciting project. We do have the technical know-how, obviously, and well, here we are, hoping to go on air next week, February the 1st.
Tools things, right? Is that the remote?
Have all the various breeds and then the winners of the breeds. Right there?
Not that I know of.
Okay. This is the brightness control to make it bright or dark.
Yeah.
These you needn't worry about because we only get one channel and this stays on the one channel.
Yeah.
So you needn't worry about any of that now really.
Yeah.